So I finally did the thing. I've been wanting to start a daily video series for ages. The same name as my newsletter, From Heather's Hammock. The camera was set up. I was determined, ready or not, to actually show up. I climbed into my hammock to record the very first one. Had to psych myself up for it. And guess what happened? It gave out. Just like that, dry rotted, right out from underneath me. 4 months old. Looked perfectly fine from the outside, but somewhere quiet underneath, it had been falling apart. I hit the ground. Didn't know whether to laugh or cry. I may have done both. Sitting there on the ground, something hit me. I've been teaching this all month in the OCC, my online community for community builders. This is retention. A community can look completely fine on the surface. Member count holding, nothing looks broken. But underneath, quietly, belonging can be rotting away. Nobody announces it. You can't see it. Just a slow decay in the exact spot you stop checking. And then one day, someone gives out. They're gone. The rot was never sudden. It was months in the making. So here's what I want you to do this week. Look at the parts of your community you've been assuming are fine, the members who seem good, the corners you haven't checked in a while. Actually check. Because assuming is how 4-month-old hammocks end up on the ground. Now I could have taken this as a sign. My favorite spot, broken. My big video plan wrecked before I even filmed. But I'm not waiting for the perfect setup. I'm tired of waiting for perfection. I'm filming from my deck instead, hammock or no hammock. It's pouring rain. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is pouring rain. But I have things to share. And because I know showing up beats showing up perfectly every single time, I'm going to show up. So if you're building a community and feeling stuck, come hang with us in the online community creators. That's where we go when everyone else leaves the room. I just wanted to personally invite you and show up imperfectly in the pouring rain, thunder in the background, no hammock like I had intended, and just show you that showing up beats perfection. So follow me on this journey. Let's see where this goes. And let me know what you want to hear, what community things you want to learn about. See you next time.